Most people think improving gut health means expensive probiotics, complicated detox drinks, or strict diets that are hard to follow every single day. But what if the real answer is much simpler than that? What if something already sitting quietly in your kitchen could support your gut daily, without stress, without cost, and without complicated routines? Not a supplement. Not a miracle cure. Just one simple vegetable. Cooked okra. Bhindi. And what it does inside your body, especially inside your gut, may surprise you more than you expect. Why gut health matters more after 40. As we get older, the body begins to change in ways that are not always obvious at first. Digestion slows down slightly. Meals that once felt light may now feel heavy. Bloating becomes more frequent. Sometimes there is discomfort even after eating simple foods. This is not random. Inside your digestive system lives a complex community of trillions of bacteria. Some of these bacteria are helpful. They help break down food, support your immune system, produce important nutrients, and even affect your mood and energy levels. But when this balance is disturbed, your body starts sending signals. You may feel tired after meals. Your stomach may feel heavy. Your digestion may feel incomplete. And this is where small, consistent food choices start to matter more than ever. What makes okra so special? At first glance, okra does not look impressive. It is simple, affordable, and often ignored. But inside, it contains something extremely valuable for your digestive system. That slightly sticky, slippery texture that many people dislike is actually its greatest strength. This texture comes from a natural gel-like substance called soluble fiber. When cooked okra enters your body, this fiber does not just pass through like ordinary food. It interacts gently with your digestive tract. It creates a soft, soothing layer that moves slowly through your gut. Instead of irritating your system, it supports it. Instead of rushing through digestion, it stabilizes it. How okra feeds your good gut bacteria. Your gut bacteria need food to survive and function properly. But not all foods nourish them. Processed foods often harm this balance. But natural soluble fiber feeds it. The fiber in okra acts like fuel for beneficial bacteria. When these good bacteria are nourished regularly, they become stronger and more active. Over time, they help improve digestion, support smoother bowel movements, and reduce bloating and discomfort. This is not something that happens overnight. This is a slow, steady improvement that builds with consistency. And this is why simple daily habits matter more than occasional big changes. The gentle effect on digestion. One of the most underrated benefits of cooked okra is how gently it affects digestion. It does not shock your system. It does not force rapid changes. Instead, it slightly slows down digestion in a healthy and balanced way. This gives your body more time to absorb nutrients properly. Think about it like this. When food moves too quickly through your system, your body does not get enough time to fully absorb what it needs. But when digestion slows just enough, your body works more efficiently. Many people who regularly eat fiber-rich foods like okra notice something interesting. They feel lighter after meals, not heavier. Their digestion feels complete, not rushed. Why consistency matters more than quantity. This is where most people make a mistake. They try something once or twice and expect immediate results. When nothing dramatic happens, they give up. But your gut does not work like that. Your gut responds to patterns. What you eat daily, even in small amounts, matters far more than what you eat occasionally in large amounts. You do not need to eat a large plate of okra every day. Even a moderate portion, eaten consistently, can begin to support your gut over time. This is not about quick fixes. This is about building a habit that your body can rely on. The texture everyone avoids, but shouldn't. Let's be honest. Many people avoid okra because of its texture. That slightly slimy, soft feeling is not appealing to everyone. But here is the truth. That exact texture is what makes okra beneficial. That gel-like consistency is the soluble fiber your gut needs. When cooked properly, the texture becomes milder and easier to enjoy. Simple methods like light sautéing or gentle cooking can reduce the intensity of the texture while keeping its benefits. The goal is not to eliminate it completely. The goal is to make it comfortable enough to include in your routine. Simple ways to add okra to your daily life. You do not need complicated recipes or special ingredients. Keep it simple. Lightly cook okra with minimal oil. Avoid deep frying, because excessive oil reduces its overall benefit. Soft-cooked okra is usually easier to digest, especially if you are just starting. Many people find it better to eat it during the day, especially at lunch, when digestion is naturally stronger. Start small. Observe how your body responds. Then gradually make it part of your routine. A balanced and realistic approach. It is important to stay realistic. No single food can fix everything. Cooked okra is not a cure. It is not a replacement for medical treatment. It is simply a supportive food that helps your body function better when used consistently. True gut health comes from a combination of habits. Drinking enough water. Reducing highly processed foods. Eating a variety of natural fiber-rich vegetables. Managing stress. And staying consistent. Okra can be one small but powerful part of that bigger picture. Who should be careful? For most people, okra is gentle and safe. But if you have a sensitive digestive system, it is better to introduce it slowly. Pay attention to your body. If you have any ongoing medical condition or are under treatment, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes. The goal is not to force your body. The goal is to support it in a natural, balanced way. The bigger message most people miss. We often look for complicated solutions to simple problems. We search for expensive supplements, trending superfoods, and quick results. But the body does not work on shortcuts. It responds to consistency. Simple foods, repeated daily, often do more than complex routines followed for a short time. Okra may not look exciting, but inside your body, it may be doing quiet, steady work that adds up over time. A simple step that could change your routine. If your digestion has been feeling slow, heavy, or uncomfortable, maybe the answer is not something complicated. Maybe it is something simple that you have been ignoring. Something already present in your kitchen. Cooked okra is not a miracle, but it can be a gentle step in the right direction. So take a moment and think about your daily routine. Have you tried including it regularly before? Or is it something you have always avoided? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more simple science-based ways to support your health through everyday foods, subscribe and come back tomorrow.